Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of archiving chats on Telegram. Archiving is a great way to keep your chat list organized by hiding conversations you don't need to see all the time, but still want to keep for later. Let's get into it and see how easy it is to archive your chats on Telegram. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, locate the chat you want to archive. Long press on the desired chat to select it. Step 3. After selecting the chat, you'll see a menu at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 dots. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap the archive icon at the top of the screen. And just like that, your chat is now archived. It's out of sight, but still accessible whenever you need it. If you ever want to access your archived chats, just swipe down on your chat list and you'll see them pop up. Archiving chats is a great way to keep your Telegram inbox clean and decluttered, especially if you're in a lot of group chats or have ongoing conversations you don't need to see all the time. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.